Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis, and on today's episode of Squad Busters, we're going to look at how to add friends in this game. So let's get started. So to add friends, you must go to the friends page first. It's located at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on it to open it, and in this friends page, you can see an option to add friends at the left side of this page. So just tap on add friends. Now the game lets you add friends in two ways. One is to scan their QR code and another is to add them with their player ID. So if you have QR code of your friends, just tap on scan QR code and scan the code to add them. But if you don't have the QR code of your friend, you can still add them by using their player ID. So just tap on add with player ID. Now here just type in your friend's player ID. After you have typed in your friend's player ID, just tap on add friend. Here your friend's profile should pop up. Now just tap on OK to send a friend request to your friend. Here you can see I have sent request to my friend and it is pending. Once he accepts my request, we can start playing together. So that's it on how to add friends on Squad Busters. If you have any question or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And if this video was useful to you, just leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.